Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this video I wanna show you and help you in order for us to know how to enable dark mode. Enable dark mode legit node jailbreak using your old iPhone, which is 5S, 6, 6S, 6S Plus, and above. So, first things first, you can go to Safari and you can search apps for iPhone.net, and I link down to the description box below that, and you can install app for iPhone and you can receive a profile download. So this kind of profile, and select install, and you can already download the app. The name of app is Neural Camera, which is this that, and can also take an example of picture. So first, I capture on back camera. So processing and processing and processing. So that's the result of the camera app sample. So you can take better image and photo on this app with the using of iPhone iOS, and I take example photos on this picture and stock camera. This is taken by the app, and this can taken on the stock camera on iPhone. By the way, this iPhone is iPhone 6 32 gig, and that is the sample, and I take more picture and better quality photo. That see the difference. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you can learn more about this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and like this video. So thank you guys, see you on my next video. Mwah.